French train maker Alstom is seeking a follow-on order for 200 electric freight locomotives from Indian Railways for its Madhepura manufacturing facility in Bihar. The company said the initial 800 locomotive contract is expected to conclude in March 2028. Nearly 90% of the locomotives are locally sourced, while discussions are underway to further expand domestic component supplies, including wheels. Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, has proposed an investment of around 2.73 lakh rupees crore over 30 years to develop India's first integrated underground coal gasification complex in Andhra Pradesh's Eluru district. The project will cover the Chintalpudi and Richalla coal blocks and convert deep-seated coal into synthetic gas without conventional mining. The three-phase project could create 3,000 to 5,000 direct jobs and up to 35,000 indirect jobs. RIL estimates significant investment across exploration, development and production, while the project aims to unlock more than 1 billion tons of stranded coal resources and reduce dependence on imported crude and energy supplies. The Ministry of Home Affairs has placed orders worth 155 crore rupees for Indrajaal Ranger mobile anti-drone patrol vehicles, strengthening India's capabilities against emerging drone threats. Of the total order, 145 crore rupees is allocated for border security, while 10 crore rupees will support urban policing and VVIP security. Built on the Toyota Hilux platform, the vehicles are designed to detect, track and counter rogue drones while on the move. The Ballari Guntakal 3rd and 4th rail line project is set to strengthen railway infrastructure and enhance freight movement along the strategically important Karnataka-Andhra Pradesh corridor. The additional rail lines will increase network capacity, reduce congestion and enable smoother movement of goods and commodities. The project is expected to provide stronger rail connectivity to key industrial clusters, supporting mining, manufacturing and logistics activities across the region. Improved freight infrastructure will also enhance supply chain efficiency, facilitate faster transportation and contribute to regional economic growth. With greater capacity and operational flexibility, the corridor is positioned to play a more significant role in supporting India's expanding freight demand and strengthening industrial connectivity in southern India. The UAE has suspended trade with Iran following a ballistic missile attack targeting its territory, according to the report. The move comes amid heightened regional tensions and maritime security concerns. UAE authorities also issued nationwide warnings and tightened security measures. Iran has denied targeting the UAE.